As we enter week 3 in business law, you'll see that next Monday you will complete 1.03 and the Unit 1 test. By the end of today, you should have 101 and 102 completed. You will start seeing in the grade book if you are missing assignments. I put in a backslash that to just catch your attention and remind you you need to do those assignments. In 1.03 we've got a lot to do. That's why it has its own week. We have you've got a video to watch. You have to understand the difference between criminal and civil law. There's many definitions. And you've got the new information PowerPoint. But here is a document you can take your notes with. Then you've got case studies for activities 2 and 3, and then activity 5, crime against property. And then you have 4 discussions that you will read and answer for. And then you will take the 1.03 quiz here, and then the Unit 1 assessment you will take as well. So that is what you're doing this week, so we can finish up Unit 1. If you have any problems or any questions, please contact me through reminder email, and I'll be happy to help you.